It's a new system. It's basically all styrofoam. It has a tie system built in that you can connect rebar to. It has 2 cores of styrofoam, 2.5 inches of styrofoam on the outside, 2 on the inside.
You can pour your foundation, you can pour your first floor with ICFs, even your second floor. You can even go up to the roof and pour your trusses all concrete. Now these are great for cold weather climates. These are great for tornado valleys, maybe like a hurricane, places like Florida.
The components that go inside the wall here, as far as framing it up, depending on the specifications, whether it's in our area or any area in the country, you have to find out what the building codes are in that particular area. They're going to tell you how far apart the horizontal steel they want it. They're going to tell you how far apart the vertical steel they want it. You can do it yourself. It's just like putting a big Lego system together. But you have to follow the specifications for that manufacturer. And it may stipulate 1/2-inch bar, it may stipulate 5/8 bar, it may stipulate 3/4 bar. Whatever it stipulates, that's what you're going to follow.
The nice thing about these forms is that you can screw your siding to it, you can screw your drywall to it, so there's really no frame in the perimeter of the house. It's just the interior partitions that got to be framed out, whether it's wood or metal.
Now, when the concrete mix itself is a special design mix. That mix, you can't use standard concrete. They might enrich the concrete to a higher cement ratio and a smaller aggregate size. Below grade, we can put some type of damp-proofing agent on it that will not melt the styrofoam. It has to be something like Vol clay, or it has to be a latex so that it doesn't melt the styrofoam.
As far as the energy, you got insulation that stays in place. You don't take that out. So you backfill with the insulation in there. So you got insulation outside of the house, so you got insulation inside. So you got the R value is incredible for the ICFs.
Now, like typically any house or building, we have penetrations that go through the wall. Piping, plumbing, electrical. Well, we can work with the other trades if our contractor wants us to, or it's a system that's designed, if they give us the parts, we can put it in. Can this application be done on a commercial building? Yes, it can. You're just following whatever the codes are, the specs for the building department in that particular area.
You're going to save a lot of money in the long run for your heating and air conditioning. No air infiltration through any of the plates, the top plate or even the bottom plate, because it's all one solid wall going up to the first or second floor. That's why more people are going to the ICFs, because of the technology that they bring, which is the green technology.